BMW가 이제 IPA, 인텔리전트 퍼스널 어시스턴트라고 하는 인포테인먼트를 강조를 해왔고요. 그러니까 IPA에서 하는 건 어떤 인공지능을 통한 음성인식 이런 부분이죠. 지금 그래서 작년에 이제 아마존하고 협력한 부분이 있었는데 이번에는 아마존관에서 이제 관련 전시를 좀 하고 있습니다.
We have some connection issues here because of the
too many people.
yeah exactly. There are too many people here, so sometimes we have to wait a bit until the network is still there.
So activate color BMW.
This is activation again. So it's now
Wait.
loading again.
When are you planning to have this in series?
So this is a beta program right now, and we will bring it into series this year in US.
US?
This year in US?
Is it already in Germany?
No,
No? Okay.
not in Germany. First US.
Oh, first.
First in US, exactly.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
but only as a beta program. That's important. Okay, let's try one more time. Hey BMW. Hey BMW. Find a gas station.
Here's what I found.
Okay, can you show me the cheapest one with the car wash?
The cheapest gas station with a car wash is Chevron, 4070 South Arville Street, Las Vegas, Nevada 89103.
Okay, take me to Chevron.
And it even shows the prices.
Getting directions to the Chevron gas station at 4070 South Arville Street, Las Vegas, Nevada 89103.
Okay, as you can see, this is the new thing, right? We can refine a search. We can be more specific. We can say the cheapest one. We can say with the car wash, or we can say with an ATM, or with a food shop, something like this, right? We can be more specific, and the system is able to understand that.
Okay, but that's not, you're saying that's not out yet?
That's
right
not
now.
out yet.
Oh,
No, that's not out.
interesting.
Later this year.
Okay.
Yeah. So the gas station search, yes,
Yeah.
that's out right now,
Yes,
but
right.
the other
But
things,
not the
yeah.
specifics.
Yeah,
Oh, okay.
And the LLM has the capability to understand better what you mean. For example, if you say, take me to a place that's called Sphere or something like that, this
Yeah.
will also work with this new model.
So saying something like, I know there's this thing in the name,
exactly,
it will find it?
exactly. So the understanding it's much better than before because we use this large language models.
Interesting.
So this is the new thing, right?
Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Cool car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a cool car.
Okay, so it's coming out this year, so when you pick me up in Kansas next time I'm in Kansas,
They don't have a car for me to test drive. It's selling too fast.
Don't touch it.
Just buy it.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
So basically, you can give it instruction as far as for the car functions, as well as the navigation. So either or. So for example, hey BMW, change my temperature to 70 degrees.
Temperature set to 70 degrees.
73.
Yep. Hey BMW. Hey BMW. What is my fuel range? It went off. The Wi-Fi, the 5G, 6G sometimes goes in and out. Hey BMW. What is my fuel range?
The remaining range is 16 miles. I recommend to refill your tank soon.
So you can ask it for your car. The windows, the tire pressure. You know what I mean? If you can't see some people can't see so small. The time. What is the time? You can ask it to the lights, different things like that for the functions. Let's see. I have a few, like for example, for navigation. You say, "Hey BMW, recommend a national park nearby.
Based on your current location, the closest national park is Zion National Park in Springdale, Utah.
Never
It's
mind.
about
I want to
two-
go to Death Valley National Park.
Getting directions to Death Valley National Park.
That's what you mean by overrule.
Right,
Forest.
right. So you can touch the screen still. It's not like you can't touch it anymore. You can touch the screen if you want to. You know, that was a specific direct location, directions. But you can also say, you know, select number 1, select number 2 type of thing as well. If, you know, some people prefer to immediately touch the screen no matter what. You barge in, you can interrupt it, which is great. Hey BMW, any chance you can find a hotel in Furnace Creek?
Here's what I found for hotels in Furnace Creek. The top options are 1. The Ranch at Death Valley. 2. The Oasis
Which
at
one
Death
would you
Valley.
recommend?
Based on the options, I would recommend the Furnace Creek Inn and Ranch Resort. It's the most historic
Okay,
and iconic.
add that one to my route.
So there's no more
Okay,
CarPlay?
I've added the Furnace Creek Inn and Ranch Resort to your route.
Say it again. I'm sorry.
Is there CarPlay for the car still? Like for phone?
For the phone.
Yeah.
So if you're wanting to do, for example, anything beyond that, some people, you know, want to upload, you know, different apps still, their own apps. You know what I mean? What they want, and that's fine. There's no problem with that. You know what I mean? As far as different apps for whatever they're using it for. Hey BMW, change the temperature to low.
Temperature set to the lowest level.
See, and you can still, no matter what, even if the connection for some reason, right? You can still touch. You know, your. To,
You can manually
you can still
control
touch.
as well.
Yes, the screen for what you're needing to
Change
happen.
the direction for that.
You know what?
Are they
I've
fixed?
never been able to.
Oh.
I've never that I have not. No, I've never been. Right now, it's. Do you feel it?
Oh,
Do you feel it?
yeah,
Yeah. You're talking about underneath or on the top? I have not been able to
Direct.
to touch anything here. But I think this might be the no. I was thinking it might be the speaker. It's not the speaker. No. So it's more integrative. You actually can, you know, when you're speaking on the way. Hey BMW, find me a gas station on the way.
Here are some gas station options along the route. 1. Shell on Las Vegas
Which
Boulevard
ones are the
South.
cheapest with a car wash?
Here are the cheapest gas station options with a car wash along the route. 1. Chevron on Arville ST. 2. Arco on Las Vegas Boulevard
Select
South.
number 1.
That's a good feature.
Okay, I've added the Chevron on Arville Street to your route. You're all set to continue your journey.
See how cool that is? Hey BMW, lower my fan.
Mm-hmm.
Fan speed decreased to the minimum level.
And there's no phone connected right now.
No. This is literally you know, the program itself is embedded.
Embedded,
Into the,
yeah.
It's
Embedded
not like
AI.
it's not like it's a separate. Oh, here we have an app and this is what's working the app. It's not. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So and then of course, still regardless, you can, you know, if you're wanting to, I want to cancel this. Done. I want to cancel every. You know, in other words, you're not. It doesn't have to be everything voice. If you're wanting to still touch screen, you know, you do so. You know what I'm saying? So it's fantastic. See, even bringing this up, down, everything is still. If you're for some reason not getting your 5 or 6G, you know what I mean? It happens. It happens when you're driving. You don't get the 5 and 6G. You know, what can you do? You have to do something manual. You know what I mean? Yeah, very cool.
Yep.
That's where we are. Yes.
And when we can meet this function in the market?
It is already in production.
Oh, really?
Since the end of last year,
End of last year.
it started in production.
You
yes.
you guys commercialize this function, yeah?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
And then of course, being their new year now, 25. It's now, it's now been
The Amazon's embedded large language model. Yeah.
in this BMW.
Yeah, in this
model.
BMW new model. Yeah.
Here, you recognize here in the U.S. And in Europe, and then in China, the model is different because the model is actually a longer SUV, which was more preferred in China. That's why there's a difference.
Yeah. Somewhat
in
different. Yeah.
the model style. Yes, very good.
Thank you.
Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Good. I'm glad
That's
you guys
great.
got to hear it.
Yeah.
Moving on.
그러니까 아마존 LLM을 적용한 차량이 이제 작년 말부터 시판이 되고 있다는 얘기고요. 그리고 LLM을 적용할 때 이제 좋은 부분들은 우리가 정해진 키워드만 입력할 수 있는 게 아니라 어떤 말을 하든지 이제 LLM이 해석해서 거기에 맞는 기능들을 해줄 수 있다. 이런 부분이 될 것 같고요. 그리고 이제 이게 아마존 노바냐고 물어봤더니 아마존 노바는 아니고 일단 인베디드 LLM이 들어가 있다. 이렇게 얘기를 하고 있습니다. 네, 차량은 이제 X3고요. M 시리즈죠. 고성능 모델 M의 X3에 이제 되어 있습니다. 그래서 차량이 이제 뭐 유럽, 미국, 중국이 시판이 되는데 중국 쪽은 아무래도 롱일 모델이라 조금 더 긴 모델이라 약간 다를 수 있다. 이런 부분입니다. 아마존 전시장의 BMW 차량이었습니다.